Hello scrapers! Struggling to turn raw data into real business leads? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enrich your file using Outscraper, email, and contact scraper. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To use this service, click on Services and search on Email and Contact Scraper. Email and Contact Scraper finds emails, social links, phones, and other contacts from websites. Next, you can upload your CSV file that contains your query, or you can enrich your file that you got from Outscraper and upload it directly to the service. You can choose your preferred contacts and the type of email that you want to get. This will help prioritize the type of contacts you selected. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Click Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. After the process is finished, you will have a set of data that have emails and contact perfect for lead generation. And that's how you enrich your file using Outscraper's email and contact scraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!